Valentino. He really is. Valentino is a big boy. Look at Sir Valentino. Ah, look at you. Him a big boy. Look at him, looking at. I should have got that. No, he does. Every time we go to the store and women walk by, he grabs their butts, their breasts, and he's staring down. A man told us already. He said, "You better be glad you a baby." Only a baby can get away with doing that. She had to turn around and look and see who was grabbing her butt. Everywhere we go.
I know you get tired.